Hi guys, welcome to the final part of this series on Chum Kill. Obviously I thought I'd give you a run through the whole thing straight through, keep the continuity for you guys, give you a reference point rather than have it interrupted. Okay, so I'm going to give you a demo of the whole form. Not going to interrupt you, not going to talk, but hopefully this is a good reference for you and informative. And if it is, of course, please subscribe, like and share, it'd be fantastic. Obviously, more support I get, I can bring you more content, and hopefully bring you better quality videos and more videos. So anyway, enough with the chat. I'll give you a quick run through, okay? So, Chum Kill, the second form. Hey guys, there you go. That's that form. Hope to see you in the next series of videos soon. Until then, train hard and stay safe.